Hi, I'm Chloe, Managing Director of Blue Ape Renewables. I've worked in the renewables industry for over 10 years and our team has helped hundreds of homeowners lower their energy bills and become more energy independent. We like to let our work speak for itself. You'll find over 150 videos on YouTube showcasing real-life installations and real-life customer testimonials. We are rated excellent on Trustpilot, and within this proposal you will find a small selection of real-life customer testimonials, allowing you to hear from people just like you.
Hello, I'm Phil, the Electrical QS at Blue Ape Renewables. My job is to ensure that everything we install is safe, compliant and built to the highest standard. Before any installation goes ahead, I personally check the design, review the components and make sure everything is to the latest MTS and electrical guidance. We only fit equipment that is proven, reliable and backed by strong warranties. So when you choose Blue Ape, you're not just getting a solar system. You're getting a properly engineered system that has been checked, tested and signed off to keep your house operating safely as it should. Let me hand you back to Chloe.
The proposal you're about to look at has been created specifically for you. We like to keep it simple, so you will see exactly what your system will include and most importantly, what it will do for you. You'll see the system that we've recommended, your expected savings and your expected payback time. To give you a real life example, many of our customers save between £600 to £800 per year with an expected payback time between 6 to 8 years. Your proposal will show your real figures, allowing you to make an informed decision. At Blue Ape Renewables, we are Octopus trusted partners, meaning we can review your bills and your current energy tariff. Many households see significant savings simply from moving to the right tariff for them. And if you add a battery, then savings will increase. You will also see our range of finance options. These range from buy now, pay later to interest free, and everything is clear, simple and easy to understand. No hidden fees and no hidden costs. If you do decide to proceed with Blue Ape Renewables, we will take care of everything. From survey to installation, we ensure your process is seamless. We are MCS and NAPIT accredited, and all of our products come with strong backed warranties, giving you that additional peace of mind. Please take your time to go through this proposal, and if anything is unclear or you need some additional assistance, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're here to help. Thank you for considering Blue Ape Renewables.